हाय एवरीवन। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रीडिंग। यू नो आई एम श्योर पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी हुक्ड ओवर दिस वन. How is the money situation going to be? How are your finances going to be for the rest part of the month? बाकी का जो half of the month बचा है, how are your finances going to be? We are going to talk about it. विल इन दिस रीडिंग हम चार कार्ड्स निकालेंगे. द फर्स्ट कार्ड इज़ गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कि अभी करंट पोजीशन क्या चल रही है ऑफ योर फाइनेंसेस. देन द नेक्स्ट कार्ड इज़ गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट कि आपका वेयर इज़ द opportunity area that you're missing out. The third card will speak about the risk at hand, and then the fourth card is going to talk about the outcome, or what action you should be taking. Basically, the first will talk about the current situation at hand, then the opportunity जो आप attract करने वाले हो या आपके सामने है and you're not able to figure it out. The third is the risk involved in the situation, and then the last is the outcome or the action that needs to be taken in order to seize the opportunity. So yeah, that is what the reading is going to be about. हम finances के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. Money is an aspect जो कि हर किसी को ज़रूरी है to lead a good life, and everybody is worried about their financial aspects at one time or another. So here I am spreading out the cards. Please put out an intent कि आपके guides आपको जो भी message देना चाहते हैं that should come out to you clearly and effectively. So I'll be pulling out 4 cards once you have put out an intent, and I am also placing an intent of the same level. I'm pulling out the cards and let's see what the cards have to say. Okay, extremely optimistic cards is what I would like to put the whole situation as. Okay, money situation is certainly going to improve. We'll talk about the cards in details, but yes, an overall outlook is that the money situation is going to improve. So the first card talks about कि आपकी current position जो है is that you are wanting to take a quick action. आप you wanting to jump out at opportunities जो भी आपके सामने आ रही हैं, and you are in a hurry. Sorry, you're basically in a hurry to seize the situation at hand. आपको it seems like कि आपके पास कुछ new if you are into a business, you are a freelancer, आपके पास new opportunities आएंगी. If you are into a job, if you're wanting an opportunity, आप किसी job को ढूंढ रहे हो बहुत time से, you'll be able to find an opportunity in the upcoming 2 weeks that are there. So yes, that is the first card, and you'll be able to मतलब basically आप उस पर jump out भी करना चाहते हो. If you see, the first card is the Knight of Wands. It talks about that you're wanting to see, if you see the horse is galloping and the knight has his feet firmly on the ground, so you are wanting to take that opportunity, yet you are considering all the aspects. मतलब आप हर चीज़ को value, you are assessing basically everything, and then you are wanting to take an action based on practical rational decision making aspect. So that is how it is going to be. Current opportunity, current position ये है. The second card speaks about कि area of opportunity क्या होने वाला है. So the opportunity that is going to be is, if you see, this is a 2 of cups. इट टॉक्स अबाउट कि आपको कहीं से पार्टनरशिप्स की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ सामने आने वाली हैं, और यू नो मे बी इफ़ नॉट पार्टनरशिप की अपॉर्चुनिटी, somebody known to you can bring out an opportunity for you. तो you should be open to that aspect. आपको you know you should be aware of and be available, be open about जो भी opportunities आपके सामने, आपके पास कोई सामने से लेकर आ रहा है. You do not have to go, मतलब you don't have to be like कि आपको कोई कुछ प्रपोज कर रहा है, आपको कोई कुछ समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा है and you're close to it. Please be open to the ideas that the other person is bringing to you. If you see in this card, no, there's an equal exchange, like both are trying to exchange their cups, the man and the women. So in this case, man and women in itself does not mean that if you are of the other gender, the person from other gender only will come, but then yes, an equal flow of opportunities is going to be there. So जो भी आपका current एरिया ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी ये है कि आपके पास कोई ना कोई आएगा विद अ सर्टन अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको प्रेजेंट करी जाएगी. द थर्ड इज द रिस्क फैक्टर इन्वॉल्व्ड. नाउ दिस इज एन एस ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. द पेंटिकल्स इन इटसेल्फ स्टैंड्स फॉर यू नो मनी. तो रिस्क इन्वॉल्व ये है कि आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा कुछ ना हो, यू नो समथिंग दैट इज़ टू गुड टू बी ट्रू वाली अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके सामने आ रही है, जहाँ पे आपको ये बोला जा रहा है दैट यू नो मे बी यू हैव टू पुट इन सम ऑफ योर मनी ऑल्सो. तो यू हैव टू बी कॉशियस अबाउट बेसिकली पुटिंग इन योर मनी इन द होल सिनेरियो. आपके पास, आप रेडी हो, आपके सामने एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आ चुकी है. प्लस if you are in a business or if you are a freelancer kind of a situation, then I'm talking about this thing कि जहाँ पे हो सकता है आपको कुछ अपना मनी लगाना पड़े. the other person comes up to you with a deal, with a situation जहाँ पे you know they are asking you to put in some money. So you have to be cautious about the money involvement. Okay, although it is an ace of pentacles, but yes, risk की situation पे है, इसलिए we are talking about कि you have to be a little more cautious about putting in your money somewhere. The last card is the outcome or the action that needs to be taken. It is an extremely vibrant card. सन का कार्ड जब भी आता है रीडिंग्स में, इट इज़ एक तो मेजर अरकाना का कार्ड है. सो यू नो इट इज़ ब्रिंगिंग एनर्जीज अबाउट, इट इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट कि आपकी लाइफ में कुछ मेजर चेंजेस आने वाले हैं रिगार्डिंग योर फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशंस इन अबाउट अ ईयर और सो. बट देन उस फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन को चेंज करने के लिए जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए वो अब आने वाली हैं. यू नो दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वो सिचुएशन अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करेंगी आपके सामने इन द कमिंग 2 weeks. सो दैट इज़ what the card is talking about. And then sun in itself is like you know a very happy go lucky energy, जहाँ पे whatever you wanting to achieve on your money front वो आपको मिल जाएगा, बशर्ते obviously you put in your hard work. You know, it is a knight card. It talks about that you know if you are ready to put in your hard work and your efforts, you will get this outcome. With obviously along with you know the people who are there to help you out, जो आपको help करना चाहते हैं, you are available to that help, you are open to that help, तो आपको अपना desired outcome मिल जाएगा. Money opportunities all in all are going to be fabulous for you. It is opening a great door of you know finances and prosperity, abundance coming to you. So yeah, this was how the finances are going to be. If you would like to you know let us know which readings we should take forward, please let us know in the comment box, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel so that you know we can bring out more such videos with you. Thank you.